how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am gonna show you how to create a free website under the WordPress. This is a free blog website. Let's see how can you create this. Firstly, go to Google, gwgle.com, google.com, and search WordPress, wordpress.com. Don't enter the .org. Okay, here is the, don't click here, click here, wordpress.com build a site, sell your stuff, start a blog and more. This is a free website. You can buy the domain, but I need to show you how to create a free blog website under the wordpress.com. okay, then after entering this, click the product and see create a blog. Here is the link, product. Under the product, the subtitle is create a blog. Click here. Okay, then you see this blog with the best and click on start blogging. Here is the button, click on start blogging. The sign up form is appears here. You need to you can sign up by Google or Apple ID or any kind of email ID. Okay, I use Hotmail. I use the Gmail, sorry, begging pardon. I use Gmail for this. Just sign in. How can you create Gmail? A video in my YouTube has shown. I have a video how to create a Gmail account. You can see there. Okay, I post various kind of tutorial. Okay, then you paste here your email address, then username, then paste password. It says the username is already have, but I need, okay, the username is taken, but this is available, Kadshaun 2023, and click on create your account. And now this is the section of choose a domain. You need to choose a domain under any kind of niche. I want to select a domain about the tutorial. From tutorial you can choose anything. Tutorial. Okay, let's see. Okay, see, there is the domain computer tutorial.blog recommended. This is the first time free. You can use this. computertutorial.com is already free for this, but I want to create a blog site lifetime free. Then you need to click here, computertutorial.wordpress.com. see, but if you chose that, next month you need to pay $22 per year. If you chose this domain, you need to pay $19 per year for next year. But you can choose that for first year free. But I need to choose, but I don't want to spend a single penny of this creating a blog site. Okay, then you need to choose computertutorial.wordpress.com. this is a subdomain under the WordPress. Okay, then you need to select, here is the select button. You need to select here. I need to click start with free. See, free, get test word most popular same blogging software. See, US $0. You don't need to spend any penny, any dollar. Okay, start with free. Click here, turn on lighting, making your cookies. Take some time to create your site. See, what's your goal? What is the purpose? You need to create a blog website. You need to write and publish, promote your website, promote myself, import, sales online, whatever you want to. You need just click here. Okay, if you want to click sell online, write and publish, doesn't matter. Okay, I need to write and publish and sell online, or I need to promote myself or business. Okay, continue. Search category, I need to uh, tutorial, because my site is about a tutorial. I need to click on education or tutorial. Computer, yeah, computer server, not computer server, computer education. Okay, or tutorial, or something else, or tricks, tips, something else. Okay, I don't need to how to something else, because my channel is how to create, how to do. There's something else. Okay, so then you need to paste your store name. I just my as such like as my channel name, my diary. If you have needs, you need to put some tagline because of this SEO, because of SEO. Okay, tagline, computer tutorial, how to do, sorry, well, okay, whatever you want. I just paste here and continue. Here is the many theme you see here. Okay, many free theme. This is the paid version. This is the free version. You see the free version. Here is the whatever it is the free. It's click here free. If you chose there, or if you want to show, there are many free theme for you. Yes, this is a premium. Okay, so I chose this. Okay, I chose this for tutorial purpose. It's take too long. Okay, there, see the website, you post here, and this is the computer version. And if you click here, this is the mobile tab version, and if you click here, this is the mobile version. This is the very advanced technology used in WordPress. Then click on the top, continue. Sparkling some magic. It is the magic. Enable. Okay, see the website is already published. See the website, there is a subscribe button. You can subscribe your customer. If someone wants to subscribe your channel, then here is the email. You can get the customer email. Okay, then how can the site is already published? Now you need to create a post. In the left bar you see inbox, post, media section is you have too many image, video you have. Then store here, WordPress store here, you find the all kind of email you uploaded from your computer, image, video. Then you find here. Okay, you can edit or delete from here. There is a page section, you can add page here. Okay, so then I first go to the post. I post one. Let's see it's ever in the site or not. Need to click the verify, confirm, and the main time activate. You got the mail, activate, confirm your mail. Okay, the confirm your mail. Okay, then title, welcome. The interface is totally here like this. How are you? Welcome my free tutorial blog for you. Thanks. Just 2 line. Thanks for visit. You can write many. It doesn't bindings at all. Okay, then click here, published. If you want to buy this domain computertutorial.com, you can click here customize your domain. Okay, let's see, you can buy from here also. You need to buy hosting, but in this tutorial I'll show you. I need to take you show you there is no need to single penny for hosting, no need to pay for domain. This is the free lifetime blog website. Okay, then let's see it. If the that's this is the post I posted. See, yeah, that's good. Then you need to page. There is a page section. I hope you can customize, you can change the theme from here. Okay, you can buy a more theme, you can more add, you can add more blog website from here. Doesn't need to pay any kind of single money. You can see WooCommerce is appears here. Appearance. Okay, appearance means it's the theme section. Here you can change the theme from here. You can edit, customize, plugin. Okay, so pages. If you want to delete this achieve page, just simply click on the toggle menu and trash. Click on trash. The achieve page is going to trash. Okay, see that there is no achieve page. Okay, if you want to add page, click on add new page. Okay, and if you want to add blank page, blog, home. Okay, see, blank page. I want to add a blank page, title, thanks, and publish. This is a page section. Okay, view page, thanks. This is the page. The page is appears. Let's check where is the thanks page. Okay, I don't see the thanks page. Where is the guys gone? I don't know. It all post. This is the page is not here. Should be here. You can use. I just remember. I just forget this. Where is the page section have? Sorry, doesn't matter. There is the media section. If you want to add some image from here or video, just click here the media store here. You can 1 GB used free. Okay, 1 GB, that is too much. 1 GB for you. Okay, you can find status, how many people visit in your website, you can see here. Okay, so this is the free website. You can use plugin, many plugin you can use. There is a SEO stuff. This is paid version. You can need to see, you can find some free. Here is the used SEO for free. Okay, you can find the free plugin. Okay, I hope you can understand what I need to say. You can enable post or share. You can use this blog website for sell your product. This is a very easy way. I hope you can understand. I hope you can enjoy for this such a good tutorial. I don't know, so hope you will enjoy. Thanks.